Here we will write a program to calculate simple interest using constructor with Python. So in comment line we will write. So first we will define class find interest and we will define constructor with 3 parameters. Since to calculate simple interest we need principal amount, interest rate and loan duration. So we will define constructor with 3 parameters as loan amount, I rate and L time. Then we will assign these constructor variables to local variable as self.lamt equal to lamt, self.irate equal to irate and self.ltime equal to ltime. Then we will define method calculate with self keyword and we will calculate interest as lamt into irate into ltime and this whole divided by 100 and we will print this interest as simple interest equal to SINT. Then outside the class we will accept loan amount, interest rate and loan duration from the user. So LAMT equal to input enter loan amount, then we will accept interest rate. Interest rate can be in floating type, so we will use here float. Input enter interest rate and we will accept duration for the loan. So L time equal to int input enter loan duration in years. Then we will create object for our class find interest. So F equal to find interest and we will pass LAMT, irate and LTime as a constructor parameter. So LAMT comma irate comma ltime and we will call the method calculate from this class. So f dot calculate and we execute this. I will give loan amount as 1 lakh, interest rate as 8 and duration as 3. It will print simple interest will be 24,000.